Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've uh, posted on my YouTube channel. I think I have recorded some stuff to put on YouTube in between my last video and this, but I haven't um done anything with them. So, as you can see by the fact there is someone typing in chat, I am streaming this, but I'm also recording it. Um I should say what I'm doing. I am starting a 1.18 hardcore Hill World. I've never done a hardcore series before. I'm very scared. I'm gonna probably die, but that's okay. All right. So now I'm gonna put that to hardcore. There we go. And 1.18 gonna die because I probably will. I'm very bad at Minecraft normally, so Minecraft where I can't die is gonna make it so much harder, especially since I'm pretty sure you can die from like the like hunger. You can die if you don't, like, I'm gonna need to be careful about my food. So I'm worried. um But I guess let's just load the world. Hey everyone, editing Nebby cutting in here. I just wanted to let you know that from this point on, occasionally the audio and video will get a little bit choppy. I don't think it's too bad. I noticed and decided to cut in and film this before finishing the rest of the editing, so I don't currently know. There's not really anything I can do to fix that because it happened on stream. It's not a problem with the software I'm using or anything like that. It's a hardware thing. It happens sometimes while loading a big world, or loading a world while streaming or recording. It's a lot for my computer to handle, so it sometimes gets a little choppy. Like I said before, it should be okay, I think. I'm gonna try my best to make the video good and watchable, and hopefully everything turns out fine, but sorry about that. Let's get back onto the video. Finding a village would be nice. I don't think that's gonna happen, so it's a good thing there's sheep here. Whoa, sheep. Oh my god. There was a sheep pushing me, I think. So I'm gonna want to make a pickaxe and an axe. No, I can wait to make an axe. I just need a pickaxe for now. Okay. And since this is 1.18, caves are gonna spawn crazy like this. Wow, seriously? That is insane luck. Whoops. That's bad. Didn't mean to do that. But there is iron down there, so I should get that. Once I can, at least. I've got the coal now. That is good. Whoops. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my god. This is so bad. No! Oh my god. Time to make another world. Okay, there is a pillager tower. That's not great for me. Probably don't want to go over to that yet, because that's basically destined to be death. So, rain check on the pillager tower. I am so scared of that pillager tower. It's crazy. It's actually not. I died from just a skeleton, so... Well, technically I died because I was dumb and fell into a hole. but then a skeleton shot me, so I'm gonna blame it on the skeleton. And not me being an idiot. Can't even be an idiot here, so that's good. Just gonna replace my tools. And I'm a little bit sad I don't have coal anymore. Speak of the devil. I'm gonna make torches. There we go. Still gotta be careful because mobs can spawn with dynamic lights on, I think. Maybe not around me, but they can definitely still spawn in places I've been, because, I mean, it doesn't keep the area lit. Oh wow, that brought me closer to the pillager tower. That was maybe, possibly a little bit bad idea. Where are the sheep? I need sheep. I need a bed. Because I feel like a bed might be one of, if not the only way I will be able to survive. I'm gonna try and find iron. Shears would be nice. Okay, gotta be more careful than that. Oh, dolphins, that's cool. I mean, dolphins aren't new to the game, they've been there for a while, but still cool to see them every now and then. That is 1 iron. That's not that great. I mean, I've seen some kind of cool caves, but I haven't seen anything like really, like mountains yet. I'm a little bit disappointed that there haven't been any like really big, cool mountain things yet. I think the axe might be able to kill them in 1 hit. Yup. Okay, I guess I'm using the axe to kill mobs now. I'm getting a lot of coal, which is good. Coal's nice, especially in hardcore when the darkness can be the death of you and permanently end everything. I need food. I need to eat. Good thing I have so much coal. Is there any iron? Whoa, that's not good. I don't like that. I don't know where that zombie is, and I hope to never find out. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm just gonna have to kill those sheep. If I can find them, that is. Let's hope I can, because it is very close to nighttime, and that scares me. Sheep, you over there? Yes, you are. Please drop your wool, sheep, or at least 2 of you drop your wool, and 1 of you drop 2. Okay, that's 1. That's good. Okay, that's 2 wool. That's also good. Okay, 3. Good, good, good. All around good. Everything's good. Gotta get this bed. Alright. That's fantastic. That's amazing. I'm so happy. And I don't even need to worry about spawn points, so I can keep the bed with me everywhere. Because I can't die. Well, I can, but I won't respawn. That's terrifying. Oh, hey, that's a mountainous thing. Kind of. Also, what's over there? I'm gonna go explore it. Please be nothing that can kill me. Okay, nothing so far. Not even a iron. Whoa, that's a lot of mobs. It looks like there's lava down here. Oh no, it's that thing. That thing I just got rid of. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't feel prepared to go down there. Even though I guess the only way I can really get prepared to go down anywhere is by going down them. Where am I going? I have no idea. I'm just kind of running around. Whoa, what's over there? I haven't even been in the water yet. Ooh, big cave. This is super weird. I'm assuming I probably can't breathe down here anywhere, but this is bad. This is a bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. I don't want to do this. I'm so scared. There was iron, but I can't really get it. I already died once in this stream, and I don't want to do it again. You know what? I am actually gonna finish cooking all of this and maybe get some more wood. Hello, cow. Thank you, cow, for your donation. I might just make like settle here for a bit. Not necessarily forever, but just for now, I might. I don't know. Maybe. How much durability does this have left? I don't know. Can't check. It's a little bit annoying. Maybe they should figure out how to do that. Let you see a number of how much durability your tools have. Did I run out of torches? I'm gonna have a lot more now. 48, apparently. Oh, it's getting dark. There we go. I got leather from that. That's a little surprising. I don't remember the last time I got leather. Whoa, crazy cave. Whoa, crazy cave. Yeah, that's rad. That's amazingly rad. This is so cool. This is a crazy cave. Iron. Oh, more iron. Time to descend into crazy cave. And hopefully not get blown up by this creeper, because that would be pretty bad. Oh, that's bad. That's so very bad. Okay. That's actually fine. I didn't die, so that's good. Always preferable to happen that way. I am so scared. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay. I have to fight. There's no way out of it. I have to fight. God, no. Oh, there we go. Why is that one not burning? Oh, there we go. Oh, there's another. Oh my god. I'm not usually this scared. My god. So many zombies. 3, but still, that's terrifying. It's terrifying in a world like this, where, it's so easy to die, and where death is actually the end. Oh, there's a hidden one. Okay, I guess I'm getting those, or at least gonna try. Be nice to get that. Okay. And run, 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 run. Run out of the cave, out of the cave, out of the cave, out of the cave. This is possibly one of the scariest things I've ever had to do. That is such a cool cave, though. How much iron do I get? 14. That's not... That's fine. Alright, you know what? I am going to build just a bit of a house, just like here. I feel like I should have enough confidence in my Minecraft skills to not be this scared. I guess I don't, though. So, that's always fun. You know, it would be really nice if I could actually go in and, like, light that place up, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. I'm not doing that today. I think I'm just gonna, like, build a little bit of a house, and then I'll call it a day for this. I did say this would be a very a small house, so it's not going to be big. It could potentially go down more, but... Or, I guess also technically up, but I don't know if I'm going to do up. Whoops. Actually, that's fine. Oops, wow, okay, ran out of wood. Oh man. There we go. Oh, I need to get more wood. I'm gonna expand outward. Okay, bed. Where's the bed? There's the bed. So now that I've gotten the house built, well, kind of. I've gotten it started. I have a little bit of it built. I think I will end. That's gonna be it for me. I hope you had a fun time watching, and I am gonna be streaming this on Twitch. Go check out my Twitch. It's twitch.tv/LolNebby. I've said Twitch way too much in that sentence. But yeah, and also consider subscribing on YouTube. It would mean a lot. I'm doing this. I'm gonna try and like do a bit more uploading because I haven't, and it's bad. I've forgotten. Well, I haven't forgotten. I've just not done it. If you enjoyed this, then consider subscribing and consider going and following me on Twitch. It would mean a lot. I am going to be live streaming this series over there. I hope you have a good rest of your day or whatever time it is for you, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.